Hello, my name is Maria from mathmammoth.com. In this lesson, we're going to look at some more equations with fractions. This first one here, how would you get started? One way is to multiply the whole thing by 6, because we see 3 and 2 in the denominators. But there's another way, and that is, if you know this is actually a proportion. There's a fraction equals a fraction, or fractional expression equals a fractional expression if we are exact. So I can cross multiply. Let me do that. So 3 times this quantity equals 2 times that quantity. Now we simplify by using the distributive property here and also here separately. So 3 times 8 is 24 minus 15x. 2 times 2x plus 2 times 1. Okay, then what? We see terms with x on both sides, so we would want to eliminate either this or this. I'm going to add 15x so that I will get the positive number times x on this side. So that leaves me 24 here, 19x here. Then subtract 2. And lastly divide by 19. So x equals 22 over 19. Did you get the same? Here's another one. Try it on your own first. I see 5 in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply by 5 to start. So what do we get? 5 times this. The 5s will cancel, so it only leaves 3x plus 8. This term also needs multiplied by 5. You can imagine if there had been parentheses around this whole thing and it was 5 times that. So we would have multiplied 5 times this and 5 times that. Same here. Each term gets multiplied by 5. Okay, now I see terms with x on both sides, so I will add 15x. And we get 18x plus 8 minus 20. So that's actually minus 12, simplifying a little bit here. And just 50 on that side. Then add 12. Divide by 18 now. And that simplifies to 31 over 9. Did you get the same? I hope so. And one more for this lesson. Again, pause the video and try it on your own. Here we see 2 denominators, 8 and 6. So we would want to multiply the whole thing by a multiple of those denominators. And you can always use 8 times 6 equals 48. That will work. It's a multiple of both. But in this case, there is a better number too. And that is the LCM of 8 and 6, which is 24. If you used 48, it's okay. It'll still come out to the same solution. It just will have a little bit bigger numbers in between. So multiply everything by 24. So 24 times 4, 96. Then 24 times this fractional expression here equals 24 times that. And 24 times that. Now things will cancel. 24 and 8 leaves 3 here, and here 4. This becomes 1, so I am used to not writing it at all. And now what do we get? 96 minus 3 times the quantity x minus 2 equals 24 minus 4 times x. And here we simplify. Minus 3 times minus 2 plus 6. All right. There's still 96 and 6 that we can add. And now let's add 3x or 4x. Either way, I'll add 4x. I think that will make it easier or quicker. So we're left with that, and then subtract 1 or 2. Okay, negative 78. Now at this point it will be good to check with the original equation, is this really the correct root? Negative 78 here, minus 2, that's negative 80. Divided by 8 is negative 10. So on this side we get 4 minus negative 10 or 14. And here, negative 78 over 6 is negative 13. So we get 1 minus minus 13, that's 14 also. So yes, it checks and all is well. All right, we're all done with this one.